It's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with a real quick wig review. So, the unit we got today is by Outre from the Perfect hairline, my favorite hairline. And it is dun, 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 Atlas. Now, y'all, I did get Atlas in the color 3DR4 Chestnut Ombre. Whew. Pretty. You ready to see this? Because why? That's a thing of perfection. All right, Weezettes. Outre Perfect Hairline Atlas 3DR4 Chestnut Ombre. Y'all ready? Let go.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own 2 eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be patient with truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. 1 for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the drama you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few drinks. 1 for the day that I learned 2 for the bridges you burned 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the drama you caused 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to place, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself.
Okay, y'all, let's talk about this. I ain't gonna even hold you. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. You need this wig. This is so pretty. Get into this color. Oh my God, this is the prettiest color blend I have ever seen. Like, oh my God, look at it. Just look at that. Oh, okay, so I done told y'all this is my third or fourth time saying 3DR4 Chestnut Ombre. And look how that chestnut just ombres down. From the 4 to the chestnut. I mean, it literally ombres. Oh my goodness, I love this wig. I love this wig. I love this wig. You cannot go wrong with this. This is beautiful. Okay, so I went ahead and I did her as a middle part. I showed you guys all the parts. I will say, you guys, if you want to know how I lay my wigs down, I just did a whole 30-minute tutorial. It has so many views. Thank you guys so much. Oh, y'all showed me so much love on that video, and I just want to pause for a minute and just tell you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh. I am so grateful and thankful for you guys. And I just really appreciate all the prayer, all the love you guys are showing me. Please know I don't take it lightly. And I just really, really appreciate it. You guys, I got to keep it together. I got to keep it together. But it has been just so much love shown to me. And I just want to thank you guys. Thank you. I can't say it enough. But back to this thing of beauty. Because I don't want to go there. I'm sorry. But this is Miss Atlas, y'all. She's 22 inches long. Look at her. Just get into, oh, it's so pretty. She comes in 2, 4, 6, 8 specialty colors. I did show them all to you guys. They need to make more wigs with this color. Like this ombre situation is everything. I love, love, love it. So she is transparent lace. Of course, she's a perfect hairline. So she's a 13x6 lace frontal. I love, love, love frontals over the melted hairline, over anything else, because I like having options of being able to part it on the right side, the left side, the middle, doing all different kind of styles. I just absolutely love this thing. I don't know if I said it yet or not, but this lace wasn't as difficult to lay as the one on the last wig that I did, the tutorial wig. I can't even remember I can't even remember which wig that was, but I will link it up here, and I'll put it in the description box just so you guys can go and watch that tutorial. It is an updated one of how I lay my lace. This new technique I learned of creating the hairline. I teach you step by step by step how to do all that, sis. So, you know, if I learned something, I'm going to share it with you. You know, that's how we roll. And by the way, if you are not a Weezette, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Join the WeezyWigReviews family. We would love to have you over here. And go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up just to let YouTube know that you like this content. Anyway, big hair friendly. I would definitely say yes, yes, and yes. Like, this thing is so big head friendly, it don't make sense. Even though if you had a smaller head, you're still going to be fine. It's got the adjustable straps and that elastic band. Wearing her glueless, I would say you probably could, but I just choose not to because you do have that wide elastic band. In my personal opinion, the perfect hairline looks better when you go ahead and you lay it down. So the melted hairline, you can get away with not gluing that down. But to me, the perfect hairline always looks better laid. That's just my opinion. Do what you need to do, sis. Sometimes I know we gotta, you know, get on out the door. So I get it. It's saying that this wig is pre-plucked, and it was pre-plucked. But when I go in and I create my hairline, I cut a lot of that out because I'm customizing it to my face. So, you know, it could use plucking, but I'm not finna do all that. I'm just not. But because I still think that it looks okay, you know. So depending on how you style it, like with this, it's down over the side, so there's no need for me to go in and pluck my little heart out and all that. I'm not even gonna hold you. Let's see, shedding. Because I cut into the hairline, I did get a lot of shedding in the front. I did not in the back, so I'm going to say that she's probably not a huge shedder. Tangling, yes, I am getting snags when I run my finger through her. And I must say, you guys, this wig has a lot of density on it. Like at the bottom, it's thicker than up here at the top. I don't even know if that's going to make sense, but and I don't know if also it's because of the curls. It just makes it look more like spread out and fluffy. That's the word I'm looking for, fluffy. But I do get snags when I rub my fingers through her, but it is not a deal breaker whatsoever because look at this. Of course, she is 22-inch synthetic wig, so eventually she is going to tangle. Period. That's what it is. This wig, you guys, I wish I would have got another one. I'm just going to say that. I ain't going to even lie. Because this color is beautiful. So, yeah. I think that's pretty much all I have to say. I've told you everything you need to know about her. So all I can say now is run, go get her. No, I'm just kidding. You do what your pocketbook needs to do. But I'm just saying, this is a beauty. All right, guys. I love you all so much. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you. My family thanks you. Everything is going well. Yeah, I'm just going to say that everything's going well. God is good. He is sustaining us. We're having some good days and some bad days, but we're getting through all of them. And I'm so thankful. All right. I love you guys. Please be blessed. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. And remember, sis, what I always say. To show somebody a little piece of heaven today. All right, now, bye. Love you guys.
I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark. Yeah, you make it right, yeah, girl. Everything in my life